Good evening, everybody. This is a Elite Club which we are opening in Andheri area, which is a huge and open place. And this is a kind of a big club in this area. And we have two sections in our club, which is one is only for special parties and other for normal parties. So if you have some corporate parties, birthday parties, you can separately avoid it. Same time, we are taken care about all the food because we are serving from a fusion food, which is the continental, Chinese, Indian. So there is a mixed food is there. So we can enjoy food as well as the club, the beautiful music, and the entire club is managed by Matrix Lights. So music, light, it's managed by Matrix Light. So I hope everybody will enjoy in our place. And this is a very, very beautiful club done by from our beautiful team. So welcome and enjoy our team.
नहीं, होटल इंडस्ट्री में मैं कम से कम 15 से 20 साल में, लेकिन ये ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट पहली बार अपना गोरेगांव बॉम्बे 63 करके मैं गोरेगांव में खोला था। सेकंड टाइम ये अंधेरी एरिया में फर्स्ट टाइम एंट्री मार रहा हूँ कि सैटेलाइट का नाम से। कि होटल इंडस्ट्री में अपने को इतना ये नहीं कि बाकी सब मैनेजमेंट मेरा पूरा टीम है, बहुत अच्छा टीम है। जीएम से लेके प्रमोटर से लेके सब अपना पार्टनर्स सब बहुत अच्छा टीम है। मैं इसमें अपने को 100% कॉन्फिडेंस है कि अपने को ये इसको एक मुंबई में टॉप क्लब बनने का अपना पूरा इरादा है, वो तो अपना सक्सेस होएगा करके अपने को भरोसा भी है। थैंक यू।
सैटेलाइट नाम ही एक स्टेटमेंट है मैडम। सैटेलाइट मीन्स हर चीज़ को कवर करता है। हम लोग ये दिमाग में रखते हुए इसका नाम भी ऐसा रखा है कि पूरा मुंबई को कवर करें, मुंबई का लोगों का नाइट लाइफ जो जाते हैं उन लोगों का टेस्ट को कवर कर सके। वही हिसाब से फ्यूचरिस्टिक हम लोगों ने इसका डिज़ाइन किया है। उसका लाइटिंग्स, म्यूज़िक सिस्टम्स और प्रोग्रामिंग हर चीज़ डीजेस वगैरह मेन होते हैं सब चीज़ों में। तो एक नंबर के हम लोगों ने ऐसा कोशिश किया है कि मुंबई में किसी के साथ कंपटीशन का सवाल नहीं है। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हम भी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट नाइट क्लब मुंबई में बने, वो हिसाब से हम लोगों ने तैयारी किया। तो उम्मीद है हमारे पास बहुत अच्छी टीम है, स्टाफ है और मार्केटिंग टीम भी है, हमारा सोशल मीडिया भी है। तो होप फॉर द बेस्ट।
नहीं ऑलरेडी अपना पहले दूसरा नाम से अपन चालू करने का सोच रहा था, लेकिन वो नाम थोड़ा अपने को अपन वास्तु वो सब मानते हैं, तो इसके लिए थोड़ा अपने को लग रहा नहीं कि वो नाम अपने लिए सूट कर रहे हैं। बाद में अपन बहुत टाइम के बाद 1-2 महीना लगा अपने को, बहुत सारे नाम अपन बाहर से भी क्लब का नाम लिया, लेकिन लास्ट में फाइनल किया सैटेलाइट का नाम पे, तो पूरा मुंबई कवर करे ऐसा वो हिसाब से अपन सोच के करके रखा है।
ये हमारा 8000 स्क्वायर फीट में है। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अ स्क्वायर ऑफ 8000 स्क्वायर फीट। इट्स अ ह्यूज with a kitchen, with a separate smoking area we have in this. So people will not have to come out and enjoy the music whole time. That is what we decided about this planning this club and designed according public demand.
First of all, I would like to wish the satellite owners and everybody, Mr. Shetty, all the best and congratulations. And being satellite generation right now, the speed how we are going, I think they named it on the right way platform. So all the best once again for them.
Ma'am, satellite is a unique name, as you said. What comes to your mind when you think of the place ki satellite it is?
Satellite is like you think about satellite is. I can just tell about the speed we are going into. So it must be another planet named or something. So that's it.
We've come up with a new idea, with a new concept. Especially the USP are the lights, the space. It's 8,000 square feet big, and I don't think so there's any club right now in the entire area of Mumbai as big as this. And let's see, with the latest music technique, everything, yeah, matrix light, obviously.
What do you think is the USP of the club?
Basically the space, the rectangular space with no pillars, and people are going to enjoy and hope they accept our product. Yeah, continental basically. So we've concentrated on that only. No Indian food much, and more of continental.
All my best wishes. Of course, we really wanted a place like this around in this area क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ था नहीं around close by. So we're very happy, we're very glad कि यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा आया है where we can come and hang around after a hectic day and chill. So it's a lovely place.
Ma'am, the name satellite is
Huge, big. So, and well, of course, it's a huge place. काफ़ी बड़ी area है where we can sit आराम से rather than bumping into each other. So I think that is satellite. So all my best wishes to them. Congratulations. नहीं hotels में तो नहीं, lounge of course a place like this जहाँ पे बैठने की भी जगह हो, good music हो and which is relaxing rather than वो disc where there is a lot of people banging into each other. जैसा कि मैंने कहा तो ऐसी जगह we prefer which is soothing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
First of all, wow, what a name. It's a beautiful club. It's quite spacious, you know. I think it's got quite a big room to accommodate a lot of people. That's one USP for sure. And what do you like?
I like the name, of course. I'm looking forward to this place. So are we going to have the food menu, something related to space, names or something like that?
I'm looking forward
Space
to that.
stations, satellite launches or something like that?
A NASA dish.
Yeah.
Or Pluto salad, maybe.
Yeah, something like that.
Jupiter juice.
Yes, so we are looking forward to something like that because the name is Satellite and we both are very much keen to go in and just quickly have a look at it. Yeah.
You know, the first thing that comes into my mind when I think of a satellite is my mom. She's like always following me. What are you doing? Where are you? So she's more like a satellite. All the very best, guys, and we need more places like this.
Yeah.
And I'm so looking forward to come back again with my whole family. And we sisters are always going to be here
Yes.
anytime these guys need us.
All our best wishes to you and may this place rock.
Yes.
Thank you.
My wishes are like satellite. एक तो नाम ही इतना यूनिक है, मुझे लगा इंटरनेशनल नेम है ही अमेरिकन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो माय विशेस आर लाइक कि बहुत अच्छा क्लब चले एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, डू वेल एंड एंटरटेनमेंट सबसे अच्छा हो.
So as you said, the name is quite unique. What comes into your mind when you think of satellite?
Satellite, I see stars, planets, different things. Thank you.
To start with, satellite itself is a very interesting concept. Looks like this era that we are living in, it's an era of technology. Everything seems to be linked with satellite, telecommunication, etc. To combine and create a fusion between technology and a lounge. To create a very interesting mix of entertainment seems to be a very, very interesting concept. Let's see, I'm yet to explore it, but I wish, my friends, the Shetty, Bala Shetty and Gopal Shetty, Giri Shetty, all the very best. I'm sure this is going to be a very interesting space to watch out for in the lounge business.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the Shettys for this launch. Today is the launch of Satellite. The name itself attracts me because Satellite, I'm sure आप लोग जानते होंगे कि हम सब actors हैं, हम सब stars हैं और Satellite और stars का तो I think बहुत ही साथ साथ चलने वाला रिश्ता होता है. So I'm really excited to come to this place. And yes, I guess क्योंकि हम लोग का schedule generally बहुत busy होता है तो we definitely need these kind of places to chill out. So जब मौका मिलेगा, I will make sure that I come here with my friends and my better half.
Well, as a doctor, I think we work hard and I believe that when you work hard, you should party hard. And definitely everyone wants to have a good time and I'm really happy to be here. Congratulations and definitely looking forward to having a good time. So all the best and looking forward to spending quality time with my friends and family at Satellite. Well, when you talk about Satellite, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में आती है तो definitely something to do for me. It's more like futuristic spaceship and satellite मतलब orbit. So I think I'm about to get into the club and I'm sure from whatever I've heard and I've got to know, it's probably one of the best clubs and I think I've heard there are some matrix lights and something would be more futuristic theme here.
Launch of Satellite, how is the feeling? What are your wishes?
It's a very good place. I just went inside and came out. Very nicely made, good venue. और अभी तो आया हूँ. Let's see, party करेंगे, मजे करेंगे.
So Satellite is a unique name in itself. What comes in your mind when you think of Satellite?
Satellite is, I mean, unique is, I would say कि it's a very different word. Actually मैंने कभी सुना नहीं कि कोई lounge का या ऐसे कोई disc का ऐसा कोई नाम हो कि Satellite. But it's good. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I wish the owners, the entire team of Satellite all the best. I think it's a beautiful property, and being an actor, being a DJ, musician, I would love to play here, and I'm playing here for the launch. So I'm gonna play some fun, cool music, and I hope everyone enjoys it.
I wish all the best to Anna. He's a good friend of mine. I wish him all the best. There are a lot of restaurants around. I think so. What I saw when they were making, there's a lot of light experience inside, and I'm sure he'll do well. Satellite is like, you know, everyone knows that everywhere there are satellites. So this is on the earth. So it's mostly satellites are in the air. So this is on the earth. Yeah, I'm looking for good music, good food, and good atmosphere, good people around. Thank you so much.